Welcome everybody to Songwriting 2 class, and it would be great if you all gave a warm round of applause for our guest artist, Nimco Yasin. I'm Dr. Michael Olson. I am Assistant Professor of Music Composition and Technology here at Minnesota State Mankato. Over the last few weeks, we've been listening to a lot of Nimco's music, and I've assigned the students different parts of the tracks to produce, so we've worked to cobble together a basic song structure for her, and we're hoping that we can collaborate on the creation of a track today. We have her band here to help fill in the gaps where we may have missed some things, but the students are really engaged in the creation of that music, and I think that's the best way to bring them into Somali music, is to have them make it. So when you want to write a song, how do you start?
Somali is known as a nation of poets, so we're all storytellers, so the story has carries a valuable message. And we start with that one and then add the music at the end. So the music is like the last piece.
The last thing. That's really interesting. We usually start with the music first, and then we fit the lyrics to how the music goes. And so now I understand that's the opposite of how you work.
The most interesting thing was her songwriting process. I start with the lyrics and start with what I want the song to be about. And so it was kind of nice and refreshing to know that all of her stuff, they focused very much on the story, how to take a political story or take somebody else's story from what has happened to them and put it into a song and make it poetry. So it was really sweet.
Over the last month, our students have worked on some musical tracks that are hopefully kind of in the style of music that you like to write. Are we close? Are we in the vicinity of your style, or what do you think?
It's close.
We're close. Yeah. That's pretty good for us. Yeah, we're close. We're pretty close.
You know, when we were working on these songs, we had to listen to a lot of it just to kind of get an idea of what we're going to compose. And this class is the first time that I've experienced any Somali culture, and it's fun to just get pushed into something new and have to compose a piece that you've never worked on.
As the music was happening, she was coming up with words to kind of fit into it.
Awesome.
It says, so I'm worried. Keligay ahado, I'm lonely. Kalsonan kugu qaba, you're the only person I trust. Kale. It's close to my heart.
Oh, that's great. That's beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful. All right, can we have silence, everyone, please, so Nimco can record her tracks? Thank you.
I think it's a really good experience for people to feel the sense of unity with other cultures, especially coming from a musical experience from another culture is just super beneficial for me overall. It was a great experience.
Ikale kale